The scariest state between couples. It's better to be alone than to choose these three types of marriages. Worth remembering for a lifetime. Today, I want to talk about how divorce seems to have become commonplace. Year-round, from celebrities divorcing to someone around us splitting up, it happens several times. Surely, everyone who gets divorced regrets it. When in love, they want to be together all the time, causing a ruckus. After divorce, they endure agony, wishing never to see each other again. Few can say goodbye and remain friends. As the saying goes, if your views differ, you can't work together. So, before getting married, keep your eyes wide open. Don't step into marriage lightly, or you'll regret it. Here are three types of marriages where the failure rate is high. You'd rather grow old alone than enter the first one. 1. Teetering between love and indifference. Love should be lifelong and cherished deeply. If you love someone, hold their hand and love them well, love passionately. If you don't love them, let go. Being entangled and ambiguous is torment. Some relationships waver even before marriage, as if marriage is just a formality to start a family. Both parties aren't serious, neither really willing. Some marry for money, lacking mutual understanding. Such love can endure for a while, but when tough times come, they scatter. Of course, marriage cannot be without money, but money cannot measure the depth of love. True love means making money together and facing hardships together, not calculating each other's wealth. Some rush into marriage because of pregnancy, settling for a marriage because of the child. Divorce is hard, love lacks feeling. If you're not determined to be together and haven't thought it through, don't marry. Divorce is troublesome and benefits no one. Marriage is a lifetime commitment. You can endure temporary anger, but not a lifetime of suffering. If you must endure, it'll be a lifetime of bitterness. 2. Partners on different paths. When two people fall in love, age isn't an issue, distance isn't feared, jobs can be changed, and finances can be improved together. But if your levels are different, you're strangers. The key is in your thoughts. One says east, the other goes west. One wants to travel for work, the other holds them back. Such marriages are doomed to be bumpy. Staying together means constant disagreement. Toole said love has no high or low, but marriage must be equal. Love blinds hearts and eyes, but marriage is about daily life. People with vastly different levels are destined not to walk the same path. The ugly duckling turning into a prince is mostly a fairy tale, rarely seen in reality. If you're too poor, even relatives look down on you, let alone a prince. Different levels make it hard to align, as life and thoughts aren't on the same plane. 3. One or both have no principles, break promises. Some people lack principles. What they say today, they contradict tomorrow. Their vows are just empty words. Believing them is like believing pigs can climb trees. Many swear to be good forever, but soon love someone else. Greed knows no bounds. In marriage, they want it all. Such people bring misfortune to their spouse. Extramarital love leaves scars in marriage, hurting more the more you talk about it. Even if the other can endure and let the unfaithful one return, the crack remains. Touch it, and it bleeds. Marriage isn't bound by a certificate, but by trust. If the heart is far away, what's the point of a certificate? Love is mutual willingness. Marriage is heart to heart. Life is short. Don't settle or wrong yourself. The key is to keep your eyes open before marriage. Better to be alone than enter any of these marriages. A person's greatest failure is a failed marriage. If you choose the wrong partner, every step from then on is a mistake. Even letting go is painful. If someone in a family falls in love with someone else, or someone loves a married person, it's a doomed affair. If you can't let go, thinking it's true love and destined to be together, you're sinking into a quagmire. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. Both men and women hope for single-hearted love for life. Love aims for happiness, not a game. Love is simple, living together is hard. They say marriage is the grave of love. Many loves are buried by the hardships of life. The hardest part of life is middle age, with elderly parents, young children, hard work, and complex life. When someone's heart is tired, they seek someone to rely on, but often the person beside them isn't reliable or comforting. When complaints start, love begins to be buried. Most families see men working hard outside, facing humiliation to make ends meet, while women at home, busy with children and elders, are seen as idle. Without mutual understanding and support, even loving couples become silent, dreaming different dreams in the same bed. When someone outside the marriage appears, they seem to rekindle the initial love feelings, leading even the most controlled person to lean towards extramarital love. When a married person falls in love outside, it's a dilemma: can't let go, can't love fully, just endless longing. Eventually, they think they've found true love and stay together, but their heart is far away. Everything is irretrievable. Even if physically home, their soul isn't there. A married person who can't let go of extramarital love has two choices: return to the family or lose both lover and family. Choosing the first means planting a time bomb in the family, always a source of humiliation. The relationship can never be as loving as before. The rift grows deeper. Extramarital love becomes a wound that never heals. Choosing the second means loving the outsider without looking back, even if it means abandoning the family, or the betrayed family cutting ties. Regardless of the reason for divorce, few find happiness. Few are serious about extramarital love, most just play around. Life is a boat, with the lover as the helmsman. If you toss too much, deviating from the course, the boat will capsize. Two-person families can't accommodate a third. Extramarital love is a time bomb, causing chaos and ultimately destroying a good family. The saying goes, love should be restrained by reason. Some emotions should stop at a point, not overstep moral bounds. Once crossed, it's uncontrollable. Loving, struggling, being hurt makes you understand that letting go is also love. Losing and being deceived, unable to recover, teaches you that loss is also gain. Life doesn't guarantee results despite efforts. Some things can't be controlled, some people are destined to leave. If you can't let go of someone, it's because the pain isn't enough, thinking there's still hope. When the pain is unbearable, you let go, like holding a needle. When it hurts enough, you release it. Apart from life and death, everything is small. Love isn't life's entirety. There are responsibilities, kinship, and friendships. What you can't let go is past and won't return. Thinking about it daily is futile. Buddha said gains and losses are destiny. What's yours comes without asking. What's not won't come even if you beg. Wise people do their best, leaving the rest to fate, content with what they have. Life gives and takes. Losing old love, you find new love. If stuck in past love, unable to open your heart, you'll sink, lonely forever. Losing worries, you find happiness. Changing your mindset fills you with sunshine. Abandoning desires brings peace, becoming strong. Happy people go with the flow, content and calm. Life's gains and losses are experiences. Everything passes. Life has no true gains or losses. Money isn't owned forever, as you're born and die empty-handed. Love accompanies you briefly, eventually leaving. For time, we're mere passers-by, as humble as dust. Cherish the present, let go of the past, and look forward. Accept what you can't get, let go of unachievable things, release those who can't stay, forget past troubles. Don't force yourself, live without settling. Life is short, parting brings peace, letting go brings comfort. Today's sharing ends here. Thanks for listening. Look forward to your comments and shares. Buddha Zen Wisdom sends new articles daily, hoping you gain new insights every day. You'll never be alone here.